Hey, it's Jen, aromatherapist, and a question I get pretty often is, can I cook with my oils? So let me address that with you really quick. First of all, the answer is yes, you can. But when you take your doTERRA oil, and remember, doTERRA only, it's the only safe brand, you are going to look at your bottle and see if it has a supplement fact label. If it does not have a supplement fact label, that is going to be an oil that you don't ingest. If it doesn't have a supplement fact label, that's going to be one that you use aromatically or topically. But if you grab an oil like oregano or marjoram, ginger or cilantro or coriander or lemon or one of the great oils to cook with, remember, just check for the supplement fact label and you are good to go. A couple tips. Remember, these bottles hold 250 drops. So there's a lot of punch in one bottle. So that's why doTERRA is awesome. They're the safest and purest on the market, but they're really strong. So you only use a drop or two at a time. If not, it will completely overpower your recipe. So say you want to use a little bit of marjoram or oregano in a recipe. You're not going to take your bottle and then just dump it in. That would be way too strong. You're going to take your bottle and you're going to pop the lid off and you are going to dip a toothpick in. And then you're going to take that toothpick and you're going to swirl it around in your recipe. Then taste it and see if it's enough. Most of the time, that is going to be plenty, unless you're just making a giant pot of soup or a giant roaster full of something. That one little swirl's almost always enough. Now, if it's not enough, just take another toothpick and do it again. Super simple. So it's very safe. And remember, doTERRA oils are safe, effective, pennies a drop, and they have so many amazing health benefits. So yes, you can cook with your oils, just use a tiny bit and make sure that that bottle has a supplement fact label. I actually love making fresh salsa and using lime oil in the summer. It's one of my favorite ways to use lime oil. Let me mention one other way that you can take your oils internally. So you grab your bottle of oil. I have lemon in my hand, and you make sure that it has a supplement fact label, which of course this does. So you can also drink your oils in your water. So for example, I have my cup right here. It's stainless steel. I'm never going to use plastic. I'm never going to use styrofoam, nothing like that with oils, only glass or stainless steel. You can also use a ceramic mug. So you're going to take it, you're going to fill it with water, and then you're going to add a drop or two of whatever oil you want to drink. The citrus oils like tangerine, wild orange, lemon, lime, green mandarin, all of them have incredible health benefits and are really cleansing to your organs, very supportive of your body systems. They also just make your water a little bit more exciting. So you can definitely add the oils to your water, but I just wanted to remind you, remember, only 1, 2, maybe 3 drops if you want it really strong and you have a lot of water, because it's just very strong and very pure and you just don't need more than that. Okay, I hope that's helpful. Reach out if you have any questions at all about drinking oils in your water or cooking with your oils.